Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been doing? I don't know why I'm excited. I've not seen you guys in a while. That's why I'm excited. I'm not feeling so well. I am a little bit under the weather. You know when you're this thing is not straight. Let me straighten it. Better. Okay. You know when you're like you're inside your body is cold but outside is hot. That's how I'm feeling right now, and it's not really a good feeling. Today's Sunday. I just got back from service and it's like past 3 now. Our service is from 1 p.m. to about 2:45, but it's past 3 right now. I'm actually hot. I'm going to turn on this AC. I'm sorry, I'm hot. Yeah. So I wore boo boo to service today. I don't know. This is my boo boo. It's really nice. It gives the rich auntie vibe, and the bag and my bag over there too as well. To compliment it. Yeah, this bag is so solid, like really solid. It's a new bag. I just got it. Okay, good morning. Somebody pissed me off today. Story for another day, because actually, story for now. Let me even tell you guys what happened. Human beings are so difficult to deal with. Oh my god, why do I feel like this thing is slanted? Human beings are just so difficult to deal with, and sometimes you just blow up. Like you control yourself to an extent, and then the next minute you're just blown up. So what happened? In my compound, there's work going on. I don't even know what the work is about, but they are breaking like part of they're breaking the floor, something like that. And if you know me, I don't like noise in my environment. I hate noise. If sometimes I don't turn on my generator because of the noise. That's how bad I don't like noise around me. So they were breaking the compound, and obviously that's noise on its own, but there's nothing I can do at that point because they have to work. And there were like 2 guys working, and there were 2 other guys. So the other guy was my security guard and the security guard of the next compound. So that's 2 guys working and 2 security guards, right? Stay with me. So they were talking. I mean, 4 guys in one place, they'll talk now. I don't expect you not to talk. You're not deaf and dumb. You will talk. So they were talking, and that was even still noisy, but I could still manage that. Then the security guard from that other compound was shouting. You can't talk without shouting. Why are you screaming? That's why when they say go to school, like, why are you shouting? You can't talk to me. I'm close to you. Why are you shouting? So I come out of my balcony, and I'm like, let me not call his name. Let's call him Dan or Stanley. And I'm like, Stanley, please reduce your voice. You're making noise. And he looks at me and looks away. I'm like, what's wrong with this one? Then other guys were not like, oh, auntie, sorry, no voice, we go reduce our voice and all of that. So I said, no wala. As I was about to come in, I heard Stanley say, that girl decrease. I'm like, it cannot be me that this guy is referring to. That girl decrease. How? From where to where? I lost it. No, I lost it to the extent that I was shouting on top of my voice. People from the other compound heard me, and somebody came out. Like, I was so mad. Like, are you stupid? Like, this is not even your compound. You come here and you're shouting. I'm telling you that you are making noise. Reduce your voice. I'm not even telling you to leave. I'm not telling you to stop talking. I said, just reduce your voice. And you're telling me I am mad? I was pissed though. I was so pissed. I was screaming. I wanted to jump down, and I was so angry. People were now questioning him and coming me down. I even called my landlord because he doesn't stay here. So I had to call him on phone. Then now the landlord called him and was blasting him on the phone. Then he now came and he was begging. Like, why would you, like, what kind of, I don't even have any sort of relationship with you. You're not my friend. We don't talk, nothing. I greet you when I feel like. And you're telling me that get decreased. Something is wrong with your medulla. Anyway, that's it. But I'm okay now. I just came back from service, so I'm refreshed. Service today was good. We talked about the sermon was about worshiping God with a very clean conscience. So yeah, I'm good. I'm going out today with my friend. We're going bowling, and I'm excited about that. I haven't done that in so long, so I'm doing that today, and I hope it's fun. I need to get something to eat. Although I ate before going for service, but I think I'm hungry-ish. But there's light now. Maybe I'll just watch something. Oh, I'm reading a book. Let me bring that book for you guys. Right back. So I'm currently reading this book. It says, getting rid of Matthew. If you haven't read this book, I'm not a spoiler, but what I'll tell you is that this book will keep you glued. Is this glued? Is this TV? It will keep you stuck or something like that. You just want to continue reading it. I'm almost like done with the book, and trust me, it's a very good read. So I'm just gonna read it, and yeah. Hey, I'm here. Let me mute this. So I am here now. It's currently 4:35. I'm waiting for my friend. We're supposed to meet up at 5. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a black top and cargo cargo pants. And yeah, so I'm gonna, this is what time I'm just use this back. It was a gift, so I'm going to box it here, and yeah, I'm taking it out today. Cute little bag. I have to take this out. So I'm taking this bag out today, and I'm going to put some stuff inside. Stuff like my, oh, it has a longer strap. I'm taking out all of this. So I'm going to put my internet inside, my lip gloss inside. This lip gloss was gifted to me by Lillian, and it's very nice. Screenshot it and go look for it on Instagram and buy for yourself. It's very nice. Yeah, that's about it. And my phone, that's what I'm using to film right now. So yeah, for perfumes, see guys, let me come closer. This perfumes, if I'm looking this way, I'm looking at the mirror. 2 of them like this smell like heaven. If you want to smell like, if you want to smell good, use these 2 perfumes. I got this one as a gift, and I went to look for this one. Yeah, the same brand, but it's like different fragrances. This one is Finesse the Oud, and this one is Treasure Intense. So 2 of them combined. Chef's kiss. I think I might turn off the TV so that you guys concentrate on me, right? So let me just turn it off. Bye. So like I was saying, these perfumes are really nice, and the 2 of them combined is just absolutely gorgeous. I don't want to use too much so that it's not finished on time. You get what I mean? And this one too. So yeah, like this. And I have this perfume oil here that oh my god, sorry about that. I have this perfume oil here, like it's a mix of like a lot of oil, like 2 or 3. I don't even know their name, but I'm just going to put them here, back of my ears. Yeah, and that's it. I'm going to take this with me, so I'm putting it into my bag. I'm wearing this sandal that I got from I bought from Kenya when I traveled last year. I'm wearing them. Yeah, that's it. How do I look? My wristwatch is from Mistera. These rings are from the market. I bought this one from the market. This was gifted to me by my friend Becca. This was gifted to me by my friend Lillian. and that's it. I feel like rings look better on your hand when you have like fancy nails on, and I'm not ready to make my nails. Maybe I will this week, I don't know yet. For glasses, I have two options. I have two options. This one and this one. This is for Lillian, so she's probably gonna watch this video and eat me up, but I don't care. This one, or should I wear the black? Which one is better? I'm looking at the mirror. I think I'm gonna wear the black one out. Yeah, so this is what we're looking like. Looking like, I don't hit something. Alright, I see ya. So I'm leaving now, but I changed my mind and I wore my primer silpas instead because I really don't have energy to start buckling up any sandal now. So I just wore this instead. I'm back, guys. We had so much fun at bowling, and you guys saw that see, I'm very tough when it comes to competition. I will not allow you win. I will not. And to think that like this is the first time in a very long time, like in like 3 years, yeah, 4 years I've done bowling last, and I still came out victorious. So I'm tired. I'm so tired. I need to eat something now because we couldn't get food, you know. So I need to eat. I still have something in my fridge, so I'll just eat and yeah, I'll call it a night. So I found something to eat in the fridge and I don't feel too good. So I just want to eat this. It's small chops and yeah, small chops and stuff. So just eat this, take water and just like get ready for the night. I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today with me, and yeah, I'm going to be dropping some vlogs like this, a day in the life, like here and there. It might not be as regular as I would want it to be because it's not every time something is exciting or something interesting happens in my life, but when it happens I'm gonna drop it for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please share this vlog with your friends, your family. Watch, like, comment. Let me know what you like about my vlog, and let me know if you can match me in bowling. Let's go. All right guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.